In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in Clio Manage. To get started, sign in to your Clio Manage account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace and ready to enter the call details accurately. Keeping phone logs organized is a simple but important way to maintain clear records for communication related to a matter. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Communications. This is where communication records are managed, including phone logs. After that, click New, and then choose Phone Log from the available options. This will open the form you'll use to document the call. Next, go to the Matter field and select the matter connected to the phone call. Choosing the correct matter is important because it ensures the call is saved in the right place and can be easily found later by anyone reviewing the file. After selecting the matter, confirm the date and time of the call. If the information shown is already correct, you can leave it as is. If not, adjust it to match when the phone conversation actually took place. Accurate timing helps keep a reliable communication history. Then, fill in the From field with the caller and the To field with the recipient. Be sure these are assigned correctly so the log clearly reflects who initiated the call and who received it. This can be especially helpful when reviewing case activity later on. Now enter a subject for the phone call. Make it clear and specific so it's easy to understand the purpose of the conversation at a glance. A short, descriptive subject can save time when searching through records in the future. In the body field, type the details of the conversation. This is where you should summarize the key points discussed, decisions made, follow-up items, or any other relevant notes. Try to keep your summary professional, concise, and easy to read while still capturing the important information. If needed, you can also enter the recorded time for the call or use the timer feature. This is useful if you track time spent on communications. You can also choose which users should receive notifications, which helps keep the right team members informed without needing a separate update. Once everything has been reviewed and completed, click Save Phone Log. That will store the entry in Clio Manage and attach it to the selected matter for future reference. Thanks for watching.